Do you want to express overwhelming happiness without using the boring word happy? Here are 5 adjectives in English to spice up happiness in your writing. 1. Euphoric. The root of the word for comes from Greek, phorein, and means to carry. Prefix eu in Greek means well, and the suffix ic in English helps form an adjective and means being. And so, euphoric literally means being well carried. To be euphoric means to feel intense happiness and excitement. You would use the word euphoric when you feel like you're on top of the world. Here's an example of how to use the word in a sentence. Diane was euphoric after she got her dream job. 2. Jubilant. The root of the word jubil comes from Latin jubilare and means to shout for joy, and the suffix ant in English helps form an adjective and means the state of or an act of. So, the literal meaning of jubilant is an act of shouting for joy. To be jubilant means to feel celebratory when you've accomplished something difficult or something you've worked really hard for. Let's use the word in a sentence. Sarah was jubilant after acing her exam. 3. Exultant. The root exult comes from Latin exultans and means leaping up or rejoicing. The suffix ant means the state of or an act of. We just saw the same suffix with jubilant. And so, the literal meaning of exultant is an act of leaping for joy. To be exultant means to express great joy or triumph after achieving some kind of a success or victory. For example, the soldiers made an exultant cheer after they won the battle. 4. Elated. The root of the word elate comes from, yes you guessed it, it's a Latin word, elatus, and means uplifted or exalted. And the suffix ed in English helps form a participle adjective and means having the qualities of. And so, the literal meaning of elated is having the qualities of being uplifted. To be elated means to be extremely happy and in high spirits. This word is often used to describe how someone feels after receiving great news. Like in this sentence, he was elated when he found out his wife was pregnant with twins. 5. Exhilarated. The root of the word hilar comes from Latin hilaris and means cheerful. Prefix x in Latin means out of or from. The suffix ate in English helps form a verb and means to bring about. And the suffix ed helps form an adjective, and so, the literal meaning of exhilarated is cheerfulness brought out. To be exhilarated means to feel really joyous or animated. This word is often used to describe the feeling you get after doing something exciting. Here's an example. I was exhilarated after my first skydiving experience. If you want your professor or your reader to feel even more exhilarated by your choice of words, then check out this video in which you'll learn 10 English words that suggest that you have a high IQ. You'll learn the origin of each word and how to use it in a sentence.